Okay, so you have accomplished slide number one and you are ready for the second one of your final project. Congratulations on that. Ladies and gentlemen, this second slide will provide quite more challenges, deeper, stronger, more challenging scenarios for you to achieve. So the first thing that we need to do is go again to office.com and let's get to this page here. Now, when we're here, we're not going to go into PowerPoint because remember that we already started working on one of the files. So all that we need to do now is look for it. What name did we give it the other day? It was something like my final project socials, right? So where can I find it, Sergi? If you go down, if you scroll down either by using this or the wheel on your mouse, you can scroll down. You're going to find the recent menu here. And in here, you're going to find the projects that you have been working on prior to this moment. And in this case, I have here the one that's called My Final Project Socials. So when I click on it, you are going to get the document that you were working on before. Congratulations, you already achieved one of the slides. Let's go and create a new one. Now, in order to get a new slide here, we're going to go to the home button, and in there, you're going to find something that is called the new slide icon. When you click on it, it's going to ask you for what option or what type of slide you would like. We're always going to go with blank. So let's go with add slide. Good. Now, well, I'm going to grab this shape because I don't want to go through all the process again. And this shape is already there. Let's just copy it and paste it from slide 1 to slide 2. I could do it in two ways. First, by right-clicking on it and clicking copy. Or by going in, selecting it, and then going Control or Option. If you're in a Mac, it's instead of Control, it's Option. And then to the second slide, Control V or Option V, and then you're gonna get your copy right there. Perfect. But this one, I don't want it to be so big, so I'm gonna make it a bit uh, narrower, let's call it. Okay, perfect. That looks great. Okay, now I need to bring in my first object of this slide, and that's going to be a map, one that is called the Asia America map. I'm going to just drop it as I do with all the pictures, and then I'm going to just zoom it in as much as I need to in order to have it right there. When I look at it on the left slide, it looks perfect. Okay. Second one, I would like a title for this. So I'm gonna save my time, some time for me. So I'm gonna go here, copy, and then I'm gonna go here, Control V or Option V, so that I get this. And this one is, I'm gonna change it from natives move into America. Now, when I have this problem, remember all that I need to do is extend the rectangle where all my text is so that I can actually make it fit into one single line. Okay, natives move into America. So what I need to do now is create the illusion that this is going to be ice and people are going to be able to move from here into America. This is Asia, this is America. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to label each one of these continents. So again, I'm going to save myself some time, and I like this, so I'm going to go copy and then just click paste again, or Control V. For whatever reason, it doesn't let me use the paste option. So I'm going to change this to Asia. I'm going to make it much smaller so that I can handle it easier. That's Asia. And then I'm going to copy paste with Control C or Option C and Control V and Option V. And I'm going to move this to here. And I'm going to call this America. Now, America needs more space. So I'm just going to extend the rectangle. And it looks awesome. Okay, so now I make it clear that this is Asia, this is America. Then I'm going to put my ice effect here. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to bring something that is called, one of the pictures that is called frozen ice texture. And I'm going to bring it, I'm just going to drop it here. And it looks pretty neat. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that is my ice bridge that was created a very long time ago. And then I'm going to bring again my deer caveman, and I'm going to put him on America's side. There. I'm going to make him smaller so that the effect looks better. Okay. So now, all that I need them is to actually cross from Asia to America. How can I do that, Sergi? Now that I have them in America, this is where they're going to end up in the animation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Animations, and then I'm going to go to and choose the one that says Fly In. And when I click on that, it's going to provide me a number here, which means this item or this object is animated. But if I animate it from here, and let me show you what I mean. When I click on this button here, it's going to provide me with the slideshow presentation. It will take a couple of seconds to load. And as you can see, my cavemen are gone because they're supposed to be animated. But how are they animated? When I click on the presentation, they come, but they have the object come from the bottom. So they look like they're coming from deep in America and they're coming up. That's not the effect that I want. I'm going to click on Escape in order to go back to my menu. And what I need is to click on the number so that I have the animation selected. And then going to Animations, I'm going to change the effect. See, it's from the bottom that it's being set up. But I want this to come from the left so that I have the effect of them coming from Asia into America. Let's see if it works. Again, I'm going to try it. And then when I click, they're supposed to move from here to here. One of the bad things is that here in Office 365, I cannot handle the timing in order to slow them down. But you can see that they moved from left to right. Very quickly they did, but they actually did. Okay, so natives move into America. That is your second slide. Easy enough if you ask me. If you've accomplished this, then you can move on to the third slide.